Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix hotspot isn't working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your ultra hotspot or your mobile hotspot isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings here, go to connections, and here just go to mobile hotspot and you just have to turn it on. But if you're facing this type error, so I recommend you have to use your mobile data or your cellular data to use your mobile hotspot, because sometimes it might be that when you're using your Wi-Fi, you're unable to use your hotspot. So as you can see that when I try to turn on my hotspot, it automatically turned off my Wi-Fi. So you have to use your mobile data when you are on your hotspot. So your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart. But before you make a forced restart, I recommend you have to go to settings, go to software update, make sure that you're using Wi-Fi. You can check for updates here and just try to update your phone, because sometimes it might be that your phone have any pending software update, so you are unable to use your hotspot. Now once you have done, just go back, scroll to the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and click on restart again to make a restart with your device. Once you have restarted, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. But if you're still facing the same issue, go to settings, scroll down, go to general management, click on reset, and here click on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. You can also try to reset your all setting or you reset your mobile network settings. So I recommend you how to reset your mobile network settings and then reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. Just click on this reset setting options. It will completely reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It will also delete or remove URC devices in your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth. And once you are done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.